Hello all of you, welcome to ISE. Today we are going to discuss about IBPS SO prelims grand test number 4 reasoning session. Let's move on the questions one by one here. Total number of 50 questions, 51 to 100. Okay. 6 friends is here. Ram, Balu, Rajesh, Abhi, Isha, Sweta write different competitive exams on different days of the week starting from Thursday to ends on Wednesday. Thursday to Wednesday. That's more. The days are Thursday and Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday. So Thursday to Wednesday. Then only one exam on the day, and one of these days is not having any exam holiday. So one of the day is holiday. So that's why they are giving 6 friends is here. 7 days, one of the day holiday. One day between Rajesh and Isha's exam. Who write the exam before Rajesh? Who write the exam before Rajesh? Isha is before Rajesh. So Isha is before Rajesh. One day there is a between Isha and Rajesh. One day between Rajesh and Isha. Who write exam before Rajesh? The number of exams held before Ram is 1 less than the number of exams held after holiday. Before Ram, 1 less than x minus 1. After holiday there is a x persons. Then before Ram there is x minus 1 person. 2 exams held between Sweta and Rajesh. So 2 exams held between Sweta and Rajesh. Okay, come on. Next, Sweta does not write exam on weekdays. So Sweta does not write exam on weekdays. The number of days between Balu and Isha is same between Abhi and Ram. So Balu and Isha same as between Abhi and Ram. Next, Abhi write the exam after Balu writes. Abhi write the exam after Balu writes. Then come on. Then Sweta does not write the exam on weekdays. So in the weekdays Sweta does not write exam. Means the weekends only Sweta writes the exam. What are the weekends? Either Sunday and Saturday. So take it as Sunday is Sweta, and Sunday Sweta, and Saturday Sweta. Okay. Sweta and Rajesh, there is a 2 exams or 2 days. There is a 2 exams between Rajesh and Sweta. Come on, you don't know. Whether holiday you don't know. Isha and Rajesh, there is a 1 day between Isha and Rajesh. And Sweta and Rajesh, there is a 2 exams they are telling. So Sweta, for example, take it as a Rajesh is here. And Sweta 2 exams and 2 exams. Maybe take it as Rajesh may be chance of here and Rajesh may be chance of here. But before Rajesh there is a Isha chance. So only take it as Rajesh is here. And only chance of Isha is here. Then Rajesh and Isha 1 day is here. Isha and Rajesh it is a 1 day. Then Sweta and Rajesh 2 exams and Rajesh and Isha there is a 1 day. Okay, fine. Next, Balu and Isha same as Abhi and Ram. You don't know. So Abhi is after Balu only. Abhi is after Balu. Next, holiday x person before Ram x minus 1 person. Until now, for example, take it as Balu is here. Balu Isha 2 persons and Abhi and Ram also 2 persons. Abhi and Ram also 2 persons. Then for example, take it as Ram is here and take it as Abhi is here. Their given condition is what? Holiday after x and before Ram there is x minus 1 is here. So this is a holiday. They are telling Ram and Rajesh, Sweta and Rajesh, there is a 2 exams. There is only 2 exams. After holiday 1 and before Ram there is a 0%. So not a chance of Ram is here. So only chance of Ram is here only. So here is a Ram and here is a Abhi. Then Balu and Isha 2 persons and Abhi and Ram 2 persons. Abhi is after Balu, Abhi is after Balu. All the conditions are satisfied. There is the only possibility. There is the only possibility. Let's move on the question. Question number 51. No need to do that. No need to do that. Next. Balu write exam on dash. Balu write exam on Friday. So question number 51 option E is the right one. Next question number 52. Who among the following write the exam immediately before holiday? Immediately before holiday, who is what? Isha. Question number 52 option E is the right one. Next question number 53. Who write the exam immediately after Balu? Immediately after Balu there is a Sweta. Question number 53 option C is the right one. Next question number 54. Which of the following combination is true? Abhi write exam on Saturday? No. Ram was the last to write the exam? No. Isha writes the exam immediately after Sweta? Isha is immediately after Sweta? No. 2 days between Abhi and Rajesh? 2 days between Abhi and Rajesh? Yes. 2 days they are talking about. So option D is the right one. Question number 54 option D. Next question number 55. How many exams held after Abhi writes the exam? After Abhi there is how many exams? Only 2 exams. Only 2. So question number 55 option D is the right one. Next question number 56 to 60. They are given silogs. Okay. Only dam is barrier. Okay. Only dam is barrier means all barrier is dam. So all barrier is dam. The barrier is very restriction area. Then some canal is dam. Some lake is, no canal is lake. No canal is lake. Some lake is pond. Some lake is pond is here. Okay. Some barrier is pond is a possibility. Some barrier is a pond is a possibility. There is no restriction about these two. They are asking possibility. Yes, of course, possibility. All lake being dam is a possibility. All lake being dam is a possibility. There is no restriction about D and L. So all lake being dam is a possibility. All lake being dam is a possibility. Yes, possibility. So let us see that first one. Some barrier is pond is a possibility. Barrier is very restriction area. Repeat that. Barrier is very restriction area. That they are asking possibility, not a possibility. Means barrier is only for dam only. Not any chance of pond. They are given only na. I forgot that only. So one is not follows. Only 2 follows. Only 2 follows. Option B is right one. Option B is right one. Next question number 57. Some KKR RCB. Some KKR is RCB. No RCB is a MI. Only few MI is SRH. Some part of SRH is, some part of MI is not SRH. Some CSK is not MI. Some part of CSK is not MI. Some part of CSK is not MI. Okay. All KKR ECSK is a possibility. All KKR ECSK is a possibility. Yes, of course, possibility. There is no restriction about these two. They are asking possibility. Then some SRH is RCB. Some SRH is RCB, not a chance. So only one follows. Option A is right one. Next question number 58. Some cake is cola. Some cake is cola. Only few cake is pastry. Some part of cake is not a pastry. Some part of cake is not a pastry. No pastry is a burger. No pastry is a burger. Next, some pizza is not burger. Some part of pizza is not a burger. No cola is a pastry. No cola is a pastry. They are given no for these two. No cola is a pastry. Okay. All pastry is cake is a possibility. All pastry is a cake is a possibility. So they are given only few cake is pastry. And some part of cake is not a pastry. They are given all pastry cake is a possibility. Yes. If pastry it rakudugani cake it a chance undi. All pastry is a cake is a possibility. Yes, possibility. Some pizza is pastry is a possibility. Some pizza is a pastry is a possibility. Restriction about those two and restriction about those two. Pizza pastry ki ఎటువంటి restriction లేదు. They are asking some and possibility also. So both 1 and 2 follows. Option E both follows. Option E is both follows. Next question. Question number 59. Some bottle is utensil. Some utensil is cup. No cup is a plate. Okay. Only few plate is spoon. Some part of plate is not a spoon is here. Excuse me. Then no bottle is a cup. Bottle and cup. Bottle is a free na? Not follows. Some bottle is a cup. Again some bottle is a cup. Bottle and cup, there is not a chance of bottle and cup. Again not follows. But they are given some and no. And bottle and cup is here. So subject and predicate should be the same, and some and no, both the conclusion does not follow individually. Then answer will become either or. So question number 59, option either 1 or 2 follows. Option C is right one. Next question number 60. Only few TV is a Bluetooth. Some part of TV is not a Bluetooth. Some part of TV is not a Bluetooth. Some Bluetooth is a mobile. No mobile is a speaker. No TV is a mobile. So again these two. No TV is a mobile. Okay. Some speaker is not Bluetooth. Okay. Some part of speaker is not a Bluetooth. Some part of speaker is not a Bluetooth. No TV is a speaker. TV and speaker both are free. Both are free. Not follows. Some TV is a speaker. Again TV, again speaker. Again not a chance of some TV speaker. Again they are given some and no and TV and speaker. Then answer will become again either 1 or 2. Option C is right one. Option C is right one. Next question 61 to 65. Certain number of people are sitting in a straight line facing north direction. Z sit to the left of D but not immediately. Z is left of D but not immediately. Maybe one person, maybe two persons, you don't know that. At least one person sit between D and P. At least one person, more than one person also possible. At least one person between D and P. So D and P, at least one person. Next, L is third from an end. Which end? You don't know. So L is third from one of the end. Take it as here L is third from one of the end, and take it as here L is third from one of the end position. And J sit second right of D. You don't know, na? So J is second right of D. D second right, J is here. 4 people sit between Q and Z. You don't know where is Q, where is Z. 4 people sit between Q and Z. 5 people sit between P and L. There is not a chance of right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people P and L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people P and L. P and D, there is at least one person. Maybe more than one person also possible. Next, 4 people sit between L and J. So 4 people between L and J. Again not a chance of here. 1, 2, 3, 4 people L and J. 1, 2, 3, 4 people L and J. And D and J, there is a one person. Then J is second right of D. So J is second right of D. So only chance of D is here and only chance of D is here. D is second right of C. And at least one person between D and P. In this case, not possible. So elimination of this case. In this case, elimination. Then D and P at least one person. There is a two persons. Okay. Next. D is sixth left of H. Yeah. 4 people completed. D is sixth left of H. D is sixth left of H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D is sixth left of H is here. Q does not sit to the right of J. So Q is the left of J only possibility. Q is the left of J only possibility. And at most 12 people are sitting in the arrangement. At most 12 means not more than 12. So at most 12. More than 12 is not possible. 12 and less than 12 only possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 members. That's it. Completed. Then D ki left lo Z రావాలని చెప్పాం. Z కి Q కి 4 members ఉన్నారని చెప్పాం. J కి left లోనే Q ఉందని చెప్పాం. ఇక్కడ D కి left లో Z రావాలంటే ఇక్కడ Z తీసుకుంటే 1, 2, 3, 4 persons Q. ఓన్లీ ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, ఇంకెక్కడ ఛాన్స్ లేదు. Z తీసుకుంటే 1, 2, 3, 4 persons Q and Q is left of J and Q and Z is a 4 members. ఇక్కడ Z తీసుకుంటే Q ఇక్కడ రావాలి, అక్కడ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు కాబట్టి దట్స్ ఓన్లీ కేస్ ఈస్ పాసిబిలిటీ. దట్స్ ఇట్. దెన్ మూవ్ టు క్వశ్చన్స్. Question number 61. How many people are sitting in this arrangement? How many people? 12 members. Question number 61 option C is the right one. Next question number 62. Who sit second from the left hand? Z is second from the left hand. Question number 62 option C is the right one. Next question number 63. Who are the immediate neighbors? Q and J neighbors? Yes. J and D? No. P and L? No. L and J? No. So Q and J option A is the right one. How many people are sitting to the right of P? 3 people. There is a 3 people. Question number 64 option B is the right one. Next question number 65. Find the correct statement. Okay. 3 people sit between right of J? No. 2 people between L and Q? No. Z and L are not immediate neighbors? No, neighbors. None is correct. Option E is the right one. Next, 66 to 69. A word arrangement machine input output is given. Come on, do that. What are the changes is given? Let's consider that. Numbers are given 18, 71, 27, 75, 43. Is not a logic, not any logic. Even number anukunte smallest to highest, no chance. Highest to smallest, not a chance. Take it as differences. 8, 1, 7, 7, 1, 6, 7, 2, 5, 7, 5, 2, 4, 3, 1. So take it as differences is decreasing order. And the next, cat, define, radio, storm, vote. All the increasing order. All the words are increasing order, alphabetical order. Then all the numbers is decreasing order. And then difference of the digits. Difference of the digits. Those 2 digits. Then see that first step directly. Then step 1, 43. Take it as smallest one. Smallest difference. 4 plus 3, 4 minus 3, 1. And take it as highest word. 43 and word. Remaining as is same as is. Then after 43 vote is moving to right hand side. Then after 43, what is that smallest difference? 7 minus 5, 2. And what is the next highest word? Strom. After V, then only Strom is here. So write it as these 2. The remaining are moving to right hand side. So like that, first take it as difference smallest and take it as highest word. The next take it as next difference smallest and take it as next highest word. Clear? Okay. Then they are given input. One of the input is given. So input is given time 49. 1 letter is enough. First letter is enough. And 57 expected. Sapling 82, 91 plant, 47 and location. 47 and location. Then Then now arrange the difference. 9 minus 4, 5 is the difference, and it is a 2 difference, and it is a 6 difference, and it is a 8 difference, and it is a 3 difference. Clear? Then input. Step 1, take the smallest difference. First take it as number, then after word. First 57 completed, then after highest word T, S, P, L, only S is, only T is here, then T, then 49 E, S, 82, 91, P, 47, and then L. Next, step 2, after 57 T completed, then after 47, then after T, S is here. So 47 S and 57 T and 49 E, S is going to here, and 82, 91 and P and 47 coming to here. Next one L. Next third one, after 47 and S, 2, 3, then after 5, 49, okay. Next 49, the next one is P. So 49 P, 47 S, 57 T, 49 completed, then E, 82, 91 and L. Next fourth step, after 5, 82, then after L. So 82 L, 49 P, 47 S, 57 T and E and 91. Next fifth step, the next 91 and E is here. So 91 E, 82 L, 49 P, 47 S, 57 T is here. That's it. So that is our input output. Then more to questions. What is the sum of the third element from the left hand in step 1? Third element from the left hand in step 1 is 49 and fourth element from the right hand in step 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth element from the right hand in step 5. 49 plus 47. 40 plus 40, 80. 9 plus 7, 16. 80 plus 16, 96. Question number 66, option C is the right one. Next question number 67. How many elements are there between plant and 91 in step 3? So there is a plant and there is a 91. How many elements is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements. More than 4. Question number 67, option E is the right one. Next question number 68. If 49 is related to sapling in step 1, 49 ki 1 gap to sapling, and 82 related to 49 in step 5, 80 to 49, 1 gap to 49, and the location related to step 4, location 1 gap to entama P. P means plant. Question number 68, option B. Option B is the right one. Next question number 69. Which of the following element is fourth to the left of second from the right and penultimate step? Penultimate step in the sense last but one step. So fourth to the left of second from the right hand. Second from the right hand and fourth to the left. Both are different directions, addition. 4 plus second, 6th from the right hand in penultimate step. So 6 from the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the right hand is 47. So question number 69, option D is the right one. Next question number 70. 70 to 74. Come on. 6 persons, LMP, QUB live on different floors in the same building having 6 floors, number 1 to 6, in which the ground floor is 1 and the floor above it is 2 and so on. And all of them above have doors of different colors, brown, black, orange, green, blue, red, but not in the same order. Then, okay, 6 floors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floors. L and Q live on the even number floor, and the color of their doors is green and red respectively. So L is the green color and Q is the red color. Both are even number only. 3 persons live on the floor between Q and B. 3 persons live between Q and B. The one who lives on the first floor has brown colored door. First floor is a brown colored door, and then the floor on which B lives below the floor on which Q lives. B is below the Q. B is below the Q. ఇలానే ఉండాలి. B is below the Q. The color of U's door is orange. U color orange అని చెప్తున్నాం. P does not live immediately below the floor on one who lives blue color. P does not immediately below of blue, not a chance. L lives just above U. L lives just above U and just below M's floor. So M, L, U, there is a floor. సో క్యూ ఈవెన్లో ఉండాలి, క్యూకి బీకి 3 ఫ్లోర్స్ ఉండాలి. సో ఓన్లీ ఛాన్స్ ఇక్కడే కదమ్మా, క్యూ ఈవెన్లో ఉండాలి, 1, 2, 3 ఫ్లోర్స్ బీ ఇక్కడే ఉండాలి. క్యూ ఏమో రెడ్ కలరు, ఎల్ గ్రీన్ కలరు, ఇది ఒకటే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, ఇంకా ఛాన్సే లేదు, 2 ఈవెన్ కావాలని చెప్తున్నాడు. ఎల్కి బిలో యూ ఉండాలి, ఎల్కి అబోవ్ ఎం ఉండాలి. యూ ఆరెంజ్ దాటనింగ్. దెన్ ఇక్కడ పీకి ఇమిడియట్లీ పైన బ్లూ రాకూడదు అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ ఛాన్స్ ఆఫ్ బ్లూ అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ కలర్. దట్స్ ఇట్. దట్ ఇస్ ఓన్లీ పాసిబిలిటీ. దెన్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 70. హూ అమాంగ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ లివ్స్ ఆన్ 4th floor? 4th floor is what? L, green color. So question number option C only right one. Question number 70 option C. Question number 71. Which of the following combination is true? Q 4th green? No. U 3rd orange? Yes. U 3rd floor and orange. Question number 71 option B is the right one. Next question number 72. Which color doors are between the blue and black? Remaining is black only, na? So which is green and orange is in between? Green and orange. Option E. Question number 72 option E is the right one. Next question number 73. On which of the following floor does M lives? M lives in 5th floor. Question number 73 option D is the right one. Next question number 74. Which of the following statement is true with respect to P? P lives on first floor? Yes. P lives on even number floor? No. So only A is true. Only A is true. Next 75 to 78. There are 8 members in the family. A is son of B. A is a son of B. D is a sister of C. F is a mother of E. H is a son of C. D's mother F has only one son. A is married to C. Okay. C is a minus. D is a sister of C. F is a mother of E. H is a son of C. H is a son of C. D's mother F has only one son. D's mother is F has only one son. ఒక సన్ ఉన్నాడంట, వీళ్ళందరూ డాటర్సే కదా. దెన్ A is son-in-law of G. A is son-in-law of G అంటే F is married to G person. G is a plus person. A is son-in-law of G. There is an equal number of males and females in the family. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 males. 1, 2, 3, 4 females. Then A, B, C, D. Then remaining person E, F, G, H. That's it. That is only family. Then question number, which of the following statement is correct? F is the grandmother of H. Yes, right. G is a male. Yes, right. E is the daughter of G. No. Only 1 and 2 is true. Option C. Option C is right one. Next, who is the maternal uncle of H? Maternal uncle, mother's brother. Maternal uncle of H is E. Question number 76, option B is right one. Next, question number 77, who is the brother of C? Brother of C is E only. Question number 77, option B is the right one. Next, question number 78, if B is married to Z, if B is married to Z and A, Z is exactly female, male person, then how is the Z related to C? Husband's father is father-in-law. Question number 78, option D is the right one. Next, question number 79 to 81. Bruno started from his house and walked 20 meters towards south. So walked 20 meters towards south. There is a Bruno house. Then he turned to his left and walked 25 meters. Turned left and walked 25 meters. Again, he turned towards his left and walked 20 meters. Again, turn left and walk 20 meters. Again, come back to this position. Then he turned towards his right and walked 10 meters to reach the gym. 10 meters, that is the gym position. After workout, he turned towards his right for shopping and walked 5 meters to reach the shopping mall. So 5 meters to reach the shopping mall. Okay. Question number 79. At what distance is gym from his home? At what is distance gym from his home? What is the distance of here? 25. And what is the distance here? 10. 25 plus 10, 35. Question number 79, option D is the right one. Next, in which direction is gym with respect to shopping mall? Gym is which direction with respect to shopping mall? Only north direction. Question number 80, option A is the right one. Next, question number 81. What is the total distance covered by Bruno from his house to shopping mall? Come on. 20 plus 25, 45. 20, 20, 40. 40 plus 25, 65. 65 plus 10, 75. 70 plus 5, 80. Total 80 meters. Question number 81, option C is the right one. Next, question number 82 to 86. 7 people are sitting around a circle table. 3 of them are facing away from the center, while rest are facing center. Total will be 7. 3 are facing outside. So 3 are facing outside and 4 are facing inside of the center. Okay. Immediate neighbors of O are facing opposite him. That is, O is facing outside, then center of the other 2 must be facing towards the center and vice versa. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members. Okay. P is sitting third left of L. Both P and L face the same direction. That is, one is inside, one is something. So P is sitting third left of L. L ki third left of P. L ki first left, second left, third left of P. Center. L outside, first or second, third left of P, outside and outside. Okay. R is sitting second to the left of O. You don't know O, where is that? R is sitting second left of O. O ki second left lo R is sitting. J and P are facing opposite direction. So J and P are facing opposite directions. K is not immediate neighbor of either P or L. So K is not neighbor of P and L. So K not a chance of here, K not a chance of here, K not a chance of here, K not a chance. Only chance of K is here. And again, K not a chance of here, K not a chance of here, K not a chance of here, K not a chance of here. Only chance of K is here. Next, M is second left of J. M is second left of J. J is second left lo first left, second left lo M. M is second left of J. J and O are facing the same direction. J and O facing the J and O face in the same direction. Next, M is not sitting near to P. M is not neighbor of P. M is not neighbor of P. K is not facing the center. Means K is facing outside. K is facing outside. ఇక్కడ 3 persons ఫేసింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ అన్నాడు కదమ్మా, అంటే 3 persons అవుట్ సైడ్ వచ్చేసారు కదా, రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఫేసింగ్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఓన్లీనా? ఓకే, క్లియర్ దట్. దెన్ M is not neighbor of P, M is second left of J. M is not a chance of here, M is not a chance of here. M is second left of J, there is a J, M is here, there is a J, M not possible, and J, M not possible, and J, M not possible. Only chance of here, J and M. M is second left of J and M. Then O second left లో R, ఫస్ట్ O గురించి ఒక కండిషన్ చెప్పాడమ్మా, J and O ఫేస్ సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ అండ్ J and P ఫేస్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ అని చెప్పాడు. సో J ఫేసింగ్ ఇన్సైడ్, P ఫేసింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ O గురించి ఒక కండిషన్ చెప్పాడు చూడండి, ఫస్ట్లో చెప్పున్నాడు, ఇఫ్ O is ఫేసింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ సెంటర్ దెన్ అదర్ ఆర్స్ మస్ట్ బి ఫేసింగ్ సెంటర్. ఇమిడియట్ నైబర్స్ ఆఫ్ O ఫేసింగ్ ఆపోజిట్ ఆఫ్ హిమ్. ఓకే, ఇమిడియట్ నైబర్స్ ఆఫ్ O ఫేసింగ్ ఆపోజిట్ ఆఫ్ హిమ్. ఇప్పుడు చూడమ్మా, ఇక్కడే O ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ O అయితే వీడు అవుట్ సైడ్, వీడు అవుట్ సైడ్, ఓన్లీ ఛాన్స్ ఆఫ్ O ఈస్ హియర్. O సెంటర్ అయితే వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా అవుట్ సైడ్. ఇక్కడ O సెంటర్ అయితే ఒకటి ఇన్సైడ్ ఒకటి అవుట్ సైడ్, ఛాన్స్ లేదు. ఓకి సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్లో ఆర్ ఉండాలి, ఓకే సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్లో ఆర్ ఉండాలి, ఆల్ కండిషన్స్ ఆర్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్. అండ్ J and O ఫేస్ ద సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్, J and O ఫేస్ ద సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్, J and P ఫేస్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్, J and P ఫేస్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్. దట్స్ ఇట్. K is not neighbor of P and L, అది ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయింది. M is not neighbor of P, M is not neighbor of P. That's it. Then move on to questions. Question number 82, find the odd one out. OK, O and K neighbors, R and K not neighbors, J and L neighbors, P and L not neighbors, P and J not neighbors. Okay, then O ki right లో K, R ki K 2 persons ఉన్నారు, 3 persons ఉన్నారు, JL J కి లెఫ్ట్లో L, PL అది కాదు. సో O and K ఇన్సైడ్ అవుట్ సైడ్, R and K ఇన్సైడ్ అవుట్ సైడ్, J and L ఇన్సైడ్ అవుట్ సైడ్, P and L అవుట్ సైడ్ అవుట్ సైడ్. దిస్ ఓన్లీ డిఫరెంట్ వన్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 82, ఆప్షన్ D is the different one. Next, which of the following statement is not correct regarding P? P is immediate neighbor of O and R. Right, they are asking not correct, that is not your answer. P is a facing center? No. P is facing center, they are asking not correct. Yes, P is facing the center. If P is facing outside is say correct ayyedi, but they are asking not correct. P is facing center, that is not correct. Option B. That's it. Option B is only right one. Next, who is sitting immediate right of M? Who is sitting immediate right of M? L is sitting immediate right of M. Question number 84, option E. Option E is the right one. Next, question number 85, which of the following group of people is facing towards the center? Okay, towards the center, Z, O, M, R. ZO, MR. ZO, MR, option C. OM, ZR. So JR. Question number 85, option C is the right one. Next, question number 86. What is the position of O with respect to J? What is the position of O with respect to J? First, second, third to the right. Otherwise, first, second, third, fourth to the left. Third to the right, fourth to the left. Both option B and C. Option E is the right one. Question number 86, option E. The next question number 87. In the question given below, a passage is given followed by 3 statements which may or may not be strengthened or weaken the argument conveyed by the passage. Select the correct combination of the statement. Okay. Researchers in the US have found that adults who drink 5 or more cups of coffee a day have a risk of heart disease. 1.5 times the average person, and it increased to 2.5 times of if they smoke too. యుఎస్ రీసెర్చర్స్ తేల్చింది ఏంటంటే కాఫీ తాగడం వల్ల రోజుకి 5 ఆర్ మోర్ కప్స్ కాఫీ తాగడం వల్ల 1.5 టైమ్స్ హార్ట్ డిసీజ్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయని చెప్తున్నాడు యావరేజ్ పర్సన్, అండ్ ఇట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ టు 2.5 టైమ్స్ ఇఫ్ ద స్మోక్ టూ. అదే కూడా వాళ్ళు స్మోక్ కూడా చేస్తూ ఉన్నట్టయితే అది 2.5 వరకు ఇంక్రీజ్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందని చెప్తున్నాడు. మెంబర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద రీసెర్చ్ టీమ్ సే దట్ ఆన్ ద బేసిస్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ ఫైండింగ్స్ they now advise people to limit their own daily coffee intake to 2 cups. సో కాఫీ తీసుకోవడంలో ఓన్లీ 2 కప్స్కే యావరేజ్గా లిమిట్ అనేది ఉంచుకోమని చెప్తున్నాడు. సో దట్ ఈస్ అ స్టేట్మెంట్. దెన్ విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఇఫ్ ట్రూ ఇండికేట్స్ దట్ అడ్వైస్ మైట్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ద రిజల్ట్ ద డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద రిస్క్ ఆఫ్ హార్ట్ డిసీజెస్. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఇఫ్ ట్రూ ఇండికేట్స్ దట్ ద అడ్వైస్ మైట్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ద రిజల్ట్ of decreasing the risk of heart disease. చూద్దాం. The consumption of coffee has been decreasing because of the growing popularity of tea. No, అసలు they are not talking about tea, they are talking about heart disease something. The study did not show any relation between variation in the level of coffee consumption and the risk of heart diseases. Okay, they are not a proof of that. The study did not show any relation between variation in the level of coffee consumption and the risk of heart diseases. Next, another study has shown that smokers tend to drink more coffee than the non-smokers. Not that. The studies have shown that increase in cholesterol level is the main reason behind the heart disease. No, this is the best option. Which of the following, if true, indicates that the advice might not have the result of decreasing the risk of heart diseases? The study did not show any relation between variation in the level of coffee consumption and the risk of heart diseases. Option B is the best one. Option B is the right one for question number 87. Next, question number 88. The infer from the passage can be inferred. Okay. It is harder for a school to achieve high academic performance with a large number of students facing risk factors such as low family income or parents with limited education who may struggle to provide support for learning. చాలా తక్కువ మంది హై అకాడమిక్స్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చూపించలేకపోతున్నారు, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ ఇన్కమ్ వల్ల కావచ్చు, పేరెంట్స్ ఎదుర్కొనే స్ట్రగుల్ వల్ల అవ్వచ్చు అని చెప్తున్నాడు. సో ద ఎకనామిక్ స్టాటస్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఇన్ అకాడమిక్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్. ఎస్, ఆఫ్ కోర్స్, దర్ ఇన్స్పైర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ప్యాసేజ్. స్టూడెంట్స్ హూ కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ హౌస్ హోల్డ్స్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎ హై ఫ్యామిలీ ఇన్కమ్ పెర్ఫార్మ్ బెటర్ అకాడమికల్లీ. నో, ద హై పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఫ్యామిలీ నుంచి వస్తే బెటర్ అకాడమికల్లీ కానీ చెప్పలేదు. పెర్ఫామ్ బెటర్గా చేయడానికి ఇవి అడ్డొస్తాయని చెప్పాడు, కానీ హైయర్ నుంచి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరూ బెటర్గా ఉంటారని చెప్పలేదు. నెక్స్ట్, చిల్డ్రన్ విత్ వెల్ ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ పేరెంట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ గ్రేటర్ లైక్హుడ్ ఆఫ్ స్కోరింగ్ వెల్ అకాడమికల్లీ దాన్ దోస్ హూ అన్ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ పేరెంట్స్. ఎస్, సో ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ పేరెంట్స్ కంటే అన్ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ పేరెంట్స్ కంటే ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ పేరెంట్స్ దగ్గర వాళ్ళ చిల్డ్రన్ అనేది కొంచెం ఎక్కువగా చూపించే విధానం ఉందంటున్నాడు. దట్స్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ ట్రూ. సో ఓన్లీ 1 and 3 ఈజ్ ట్రూ, 2 ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ ట్రూ. సో ఓన్లీ 1 and 3. Option C is the right one. Option C is the right one for question number 88. That both can be inferred from the passage. Next question, 89. Data sufficiency. Then they given 2 statements. 6 persons have different heights. Who among the following is the tallest? Okay. The statement 1. They are talking about 6 persons, but they are telling about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us see that. P is taller than T and S. U is taller than Q. They are not even any relation of these two. Statement 1 alone not sufficient to answer the question. T is taller than only one person. ఒకరికంటే మాత్రమే ఎక్కువ, అంటే అందరికంటే తక్కువ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. T is taller than only one person, shorter than remaining all persons. Q is taller than P and R. Then based on the statement 2 also you cannot determine the answer. Then combination of both 1 and 2. P is taller than T and S. Maybe S may be chance of, maybe not a chance of here. And above Q the chance of U is here. And below P there is a chance of T and S is here. So let us see that P, R, S, T, Q all are below U only na. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members all are below U only. Exactly U only is the tallest. You can do that. So both 1 and 2 together are sufficient to answer the question. So come on. So option 6 the option E. 1 and 2 together are necessary to answer the question. Option E is the right one. Next question number 90. 5 persons AE different heights. Who among the following is the tallest? Again they are asking 5 persons tallest. E is taller than only D. E is taller than only D. D kante maatrame ekkuva. Then remaining shorter than remaining all persons. 1, 2, 3, 4 persons. A is taller than C. You cannot determine that. You cannot do that. A and C may be, A and C may be. Then statement 1 alone not sufficient. Statement 2. C is taller than E and D, but not the tallest. B is taller than A. So B is taller than A, then only chance of B is taller than A, maybe chance of here, otherwise maybe chance of here. So you can do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then only chance of here. ఇంకా పైన వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు 1, 2, 3, 4 ఇంక ఏ ఎక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు ఎక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు. దర్ ఆస్కింగ్ టాలెస్ట్. యూ కెన్ డూ దట్. సో స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question. So option 2, statement 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question. Option B is the right one. Option B. Next question number 91. 6 persons circular table facing center. Who among the following sit immediate right of P? Who is the immediate right of P? That only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 persons. Okay. Q and T sit opposite each other. You sit immediate right of R. Because of based on statement 1 alone not sufficient at all. They are given only just 2 lines. That's it. Next. Statement 2. Q sit third left of U. Who is immediate right of T? Q is third left of U. U first left, second, third left. Q is third left of U. Who is immediate right of T? So T is immediate right of U is immediate right of T. R is opposite to P. S and R not adjacent of each other. So ఇక్కడ R వస్తే S ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. So R is not opposite of P. So R is opposite of P and S and R not opposite each other. That's are satisfied. So ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అయినా ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు. Statement 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question. So question number is what? 91. Statement 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question. Option B is the right one. Option B. Next question 92 to 96. Coding decoding. Let's have that. Which of the following is the code for played? Okay. What's the chance of played? Here's the played and here's the played. The only chance of played in first and third line. First and third line is only chance of here. IPT may be chance. RCT not a chance of here. CPK not a chance of here. MKR not a chance of here. Only chance of IPT. So question number 92 option A is the right one. Next question number 93. Which of the following is code for MKR? So what is the code for MKR? Then where is MKR? Here is the MKR and that's it. Only MKR is the first line. Played is not a chance. Why? Because of here. Ever may be chance. Time is not a chance. Why? Because of here. First is not a chance. Why? Because of here. Then chance is ever. So question number 93 option C is the right one. Next question number 94. Which of the following is code for CPK? They're asking CPK. Here is the chance of CPK. Is the chance of CPK. The only first and last one is chance of CPK. First and last one is only chance of here. First maybe chance of here. And time is not a chance. And ever is not a chance. And played is not a chance. Only chance of here first. Question number 94 option D is the right one. Next question number 95. What is the code for India? What is the code for India? Here is the chance of India. That's it. The only third line is chance of India. MQC not a chance of here. Why? Because of here. AZX not a chance. Why? Because of here. IPT not a chance. Why? Because of here. Then only chance of MNK. So question number 95, option D. Option D is only chance. That's it. Then what is the code for rank against? First, what is the code for rank? Here's the rank. The only chance of rank in last line. Only chance of last line. TLA not a chance. Why? Because of here. KPW maybe. AZX not a chance. CPK not a chance. So rank is KPW. Then what is the code for against? What is the code for against? Here's the against. Here's the against. Only third and fourth line is common of against. Third and fourth line, MQC not a possible of here. AZX maybe chance. IPT not a possible of here. MNK not a possible of here. So only AZX. So KPW, AZX. Option B is right one. Question number 96, option B. Then Raj ranked 16 from top. Raj is ranked 16 from top and 29 from the bottom among those who passed the exam. And Raj is 29 from the bottom. These are passed in the exam. Then 6 boys did not attend the exam and 5 boys failed in it. Then what is the total students? How many students there in the class? Pass, fail, did not attend. Mottam kalapali kadamma. Come on. 16 plus 29 is what? 29 plus 10, 39. 39 plus 6, 45. 45 minus 1 kada. Andukante Raju left and top nunchi bottom nunchi count cheyapadadu. Minus 1, 44. 44 plus 6, 50. 50 plus 5, 55. So total strength is 55. Question number 97, option B is the right one. Next, 98 to 100. Inequalities. Come on, the person is going or not, just check that. O to Q is going or not. O to X is going and X to D is going. Then not a chance of here. F, S, Y, U, not a chance. O to Q not possible. Then S to W is going or not. S to Q is going, Q to W is going. Without luggage, without luggage. Only 2 follows. Question number 98, option B. Next question number 99. L to V is going or not? Let's check that. L is one of the ending station. There is no root from L, there is no root from L. And here also there is no root from L. So not possible. V to I is going or not? V to T is going. Then T to L is going. Then L to I is going, not going. Neither one not follows. Option, question number 99, option E. Next question number 100. A to Y is going or not? A to T is going, T to Y is going, without luggage follows. Q to P is going or not? Q to T is going, again T to P is going, without luggage follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Question number 100, option D is the right one. Fine ma. Thank you all of you.